zona thlak te zinga artist thiam tak mai Jamin Lun Singh Son hi kum in sang ni le som ni le panga September ni som pakwa tanga October ni li thleng yan khovel artist in ti siak na zinga finalist ania heta hian vote achiar ani dona online ani don lo wangin amuna kal turania September ni som pakwa atanga nili thleng hon ania heta address ka zia hian agal sak theiten khongai taka zona thlak zong song te kala lo support turin kan han som chewani ani hi Taiwan 2020 ti siak na khan pakhat na ram somre le pani zinga alo la to a tiang chuan Spark and Youth of India Art Award sangni sumni pakhat khan Mumbai India alo dong to boka Art and Art Winner of the Year 2019 khan Delhi India alo la a tin award hitam tak adong to ani khongaya zona thlak ten in lo support vectorin kan som cheu anie kan tarlana khan in lo vocal don nia
oi lun kanin mufu lo mai voi ni ani nen hian ani hi amale ma introduction temin han pelok sela thange
kamhing Jamin Lun Singh Son ania Manipur atanga lamka town Churchanpur atanga kania chuan ke hi artist kania pencil on paper ai drawing ti thin kania 2020 Taiwan atanga 82 countries atanga winner kanito chuan tuna international world largest art competition finalist kani awang hian US akakala tuna September 18 to 4 between 18 to 4 October 4 competition katidon
alom ome chuan ani le I hemi painting drawing hi kan tiani hang chu painting poi thiam thawin garinga drawing te po hi eng ti ka tangaron injir chuak ngai ni
ke chu self taught kania chuwang chuan news howin min interview huna chuan Google is my university katitrina Google atranga ka search trina chuan a technique ha ka zira chuan hey chu God gifted po anya since my childhood achan chu te de kan atranga hey
drawing
ka kathiama
ichak
chuan tuna 2019 kha 2019 enge a full time in kathok thok ti chu like for myself no job just freelance artist
okay
job ni lawin enge hey full time profession
professional ma chuan ani le chu inau pangte ta tanga ilo tui chawania ilo lian chauta te chuan I university iti kha Google khai mang tamaya khamia tang khan painting te iron zir chuak chauta voini iron thlengta ani tro enge I chungkwa enge inni inu leipa te le una ungzang ni ti temin thil them khongai nom
unau pali kan nya panhi chu numei how do you call him jo like female anian meichia ni numei meichia ni elders kan upazok chuan hey ate zo kha now pasal kan ya
pasal nei to
hey kati chu hey younger brother kan ya
chu nupi nei to em
nupuya nei to
nangma nupi nei to ngena nangman la nei lo
ke man kan nei lo
nupi la nei lo tro chute chu ila bachelor ni chetro ani tak chu chona ni le hemi painting iti kha enge I zirtir na na te I petrinem mi te zirti thinem ti lai te kha
Churchanpur chuan Imphal Manipur capital art institution pakhat kanaya chuan Churchanpur po tipai mu road pakhat kanaya ma se hey ral an oma 2023 May 3 atang hey May te ho nen hey cookies ho kha in boy wang khan avekin kalos ta means shut down chuan chuan like bankrupt kan ito ma say now I think I'm coming back now
okay
chuan ka student ho tun thlengin youtubers po tam deuh anom to chuan art teacher po maybe like 4 art teacher po ta chuan international platform yan like 7 of them already got selected in Taiwan
chu inaw pang te isir tir te ho
kazir tir te ho chuan last week akhan Taiwan kanaw pangte pakhat khan 2 lakhs Indian rupees in aral
athilzia
athilzia chuan pakhat khan 1 lakh in aral
ani chu competition antel velo nge
competition antela chuan exhibition antral
an lei sakta ni chu noi ni te noi khat te khan mo lom hle mai chon chu is childhood atanga ilo tui to awang chon tun thleng khan hemi arts line a hian ikal tangor ngor ta tero ani le education line a hian in engthleng ngei hanjir
education line a chuan 10+2 thleng
10+2 thleng izir ta
kazira chuan BA chu enge hei kappa kha cancer ani awang khan min support thei to lawa chuan hei company ka thoka chuan
ipa chu ala damem
dam to lo 2017 tuna kanu
inu hawin
kanu nen kan ka on mek
te chuan nangin he painting atang khan ilem zia ka tang khan sum ila lut thin tinan mo isal thave thinam
shal tuk lo ma se enge hei income kha kanai thowa like commission drawing apo chuan shal chu Taiwan apo pathum ka shal to Taiwan chuan in hei enge adang kha commission base po asum ka donga chuan class art class po ani thowa
online class ta in ting ti
online class shoot in kan katicha alawa se kati du hei US atanga po you can you do in online class ti request kha tam tok tho in karia ma se ka hello tun thleng ka busy a project I'm doing my project so I'm kind of busy these days
okay chuan ani le kami 82 countries akhan mo kami competition ka engtin nge I mu chua yantel ve thei dan kha
kei chuan hei Google atanga every city kha art contest ka zone 3 na like art contest in Taiwan maybe art contest in East Asia or art contest in US art contest in Europe or art contest in UK
okay
ka zone 3 na chuan hei competition ke eligible if I am eligible then I apply for the competition
okay chuan engtik kum nge khilai Taiwan kha
Taiwan 2020
khan pakhat nai ni tro aro pile mai chuan ani le pakhat nai ni khan mo engi an pek che
hey exhibition kha min sponsor mo vai pakhat chuan hey kalem ja po min thal saka pani $5,000 each in
thale mai tro ilom ve em chu chuan
kalom ve ma se so paisa that price I use it for my project again so ka invest le to
zela tero
ka invest le zela
chuan in tuna hian in khovel khan in he in ti siak na tan khan an han select ta che to finalist in ta kha engtin nge he in ti chho
hepo hi art competition ke chuan alian ber kha ka try du thina competition po chuan hei Google atanga hei world largest art competition in the world ka zong thina chuan hei art prize ka mua chuan engia process ka study char like every year like 2-3 years back apo ka zong thina chuan how did they do it how did the artists participate how much do you have to pay how much hey a process ka kazira chuan tuna ke apply I mean first time apo min select chuan tu na ka first time ani mai hey 2025 a finalist kani to a chuan tu na ka local
chuan kha lo ni ta sila ani le back in India mo India khanin hemi artist line hi unrecognized gem
India chuan ai more than 10 exhibitions kati to a chuan award po pathum pali kadong to a ma se ke ma mu dan in my market India chuan ka fit in ka helawa fit in means hey kan test kha ai nang lawa hey vai ho test ne ke north east host ke ma zona thla ho test kha in you know the very big difference chuan market kha athalo lutuk in karia hey vai ho du kha ti tur kha ka du cha lawa hey vai ho du enge Hindu ani lo chuan enge hey Krishna ho the like something like that chu ka du lo chu wang chuan hey Asia po ka apply China Taiwan chuan selected country na chuan hey US po tun thlengin accepted kania India chuan market kanei lo tun thlengin
ani mo chuan ani le i dream kha enge ni
tu na dream kha atam lu tu ka ma se my main dreams calling anga enge I took it as a calling from God
okay
chu enge ti chuan kapa kha cham na in ti mo like peace kha adu thei lu tu ka
ipain mo
chuan a neighbor he don't want to fight with the neighbor also he don't want to fight with anyone he want peace all his life chu wang chuan hey ke kha 2028 kani to a kum kha ma se ral kha 3 times
bel ma ho kha
ke experience to a hey 1997 kha u now kara boina anoma lam ka po chuan 2016 a government nen in boy le to a chuan tu na mei te ho nen boy le to a chuan ka right side means Myanmar po jona thla ho kha an suffer lutuk le a means they are fighting for their survival chuan hey Bangladesh po kan ham kami ho kan una ho kha enge ral kha an do le a chuwang chuan ke chuan my dad used to say how could people not live in peace why do they keep hating each other hey kha asoi thri na chuwang chuan ke session so what could be the root of peace kati a chuwang chuan the root of peace ti in lem lian de war record break take tour kazia katuna chuan kazo to it's not yet completed
okay
it's like 50% completed so I'll try to complete within next year
okay
hey 7 continent ho ka connect 7 continent women in an represent women means we call it motherland when it comes to land we call it motherland so women in a represent hey 7 continent 7 women join hands together and forming a heart shape ka mangai na in timo like laugh heart shape ka laugh and form a chuan laugh kha enge laugh in the middle ka heart kazia ka nga chuan hey a size ka 40 square feet ani dona 40 square feet realistic pencil artist alien ber po ani theya tun thlengin hetiang size zia artist ka khelawa chuan hey concept po kata nia hey in the world no one has this concept hey copyright registration po kati zo to which means the concept the ideas is mine it's not coming from anyone in the world hey he ka project lian ber ania chuan hey project hi award pot atama priceless ani to but minimum $5 million to katia hey if it is successful kadu ber chu zona thlak atan what can I do for my people? A hospital, maybe a Bible college, I don't know, or orphanage home. So when I go back to India, hey, NGO ka start do na. Hey, katan NGO. Kapa Memorial. Hey, NGO ka. I will help the poor people. I will have someone homeless or maybe in hey John Natlak. It is for all the people, not just for the John Natlak. Chuan hey hospital ka du na ber chuan ni le hey kapa ka poisa kan nei lo wang khan a sacrifice please do not treat me, you are not going, so the pain is still in me. So every time I see someone who is suffering from cancer or hey harsat na dong tu te ka hey because of money, scarcity of finance, I feel pain. So what can I do for these people? I don't care they are good or bad person. It is coming from me, which means I think God gave me the vision also. Chuang chuan hey hospital po kadu luto ka hey a foundation through a hospital bill po kadwa chuan hey project how hey the Root of Peace project ka hey charity tour ani le. Yes, I'll get some percent for myself also, but mostly hey tilcha ti na tour in Kamang Dua, and it's also my calling, and also the world peace ka promote kadua. Achan chu miring ka when we don't have peace, we spoil our environment. When we spoil our environment, we spoil the society. After the society will spoil the community, that state, the country. So I think
what is this moving? What is that?
Which one? Yeah, it's my head.
Okay.
So I think my project, the main objective is to promote world peace. So the Prince of Peace is Jesus Christ. But I know that I am just a human being. I could not promote world peace. But my hope is that if one person find peace through my artwork, then it is successful. It's not about the money. If I get the money, then I'll try to help people as much as possible. Because see, when I say I want to help, it's not, I don't try to impress people. I know the pain that we already face in my past, being from a poor family. I know the pain, I know the struggle, so I want to do it. This is from my side, not to impress people. So pray for me, and also I'm not giving up until and unless I achieve this dream to some extent. So I'm not giving up. So that is my main dream and purpose.
Okay. Chuan tu na ani le helaya hian USA Covel kami inti siak na ka lo thleng don ta kami inti siak na kan itel ve don ta ni chuan ani le itel ve don ta khata khanin enge ni mi pui te atang te pon support te po imamo karinga helaya USA hian lai te hemi chin community ya te mizowa te kuki te nam sang ke ma ni ho kha kan omani chumo zona thakha khang ho te ne na te po khan thu soi dui nei karinga tin heng laya nangma support te tu I support ingai na line te kha soi chuak lama le tro
ama saberin support to ama sabera hey kamamo ka public voting ania hey competition ka chuan hey zona thla US zong ka min kalpui la sota Grand Rapids City address po heta kan thar lang dona chuan hey downtown Grand Rapids City that 18 atranga that 4 October thleng anom dona sota vote min penge nge ro ti chu from my side it's an invitation. Chuan hey competition po ni lawin ka project tour hey the Root of Peace ania chuan hey the global project, the world record project ta tour po hey lemmin ji asa emo like you can order your portrait. I'll paint your portrait, I'll draw your portrait, and then you can help me with some amount, maybe $500. I'll draw the paper big size, A1 size, which is like 2 by 1.5 feet. So your family portrait po ka draw thea chuan nangma portrait po ani thei thawa chuan you can help me. That one is to support my project. So chu po iti thea chuan print hey ka masterpiece ho kha kan ka print thina chuan mi pui ho in min lei sak thina Maryland apo chuan Oklahoma apo. So I can print it out and then sign it and then give it for like maybe $50, maybe $100, I don't know, maybe $60-$70. So po min tran pui ro u ti chu kadu uberani achan chu hey competition kha kadu ma se ka main dreams kha winning the competition ani lawa promoting peace jo kha ni da ya but hey competition kha ka backup plan ani in case if I win then I can continue the world record project for the world. Kha ka dream ania chuan if you guys from the Chin community, from anyone from the Halka, Falam, the Kuki, the Jawmi, the Tedim, I don't know how this community politicals, I don't know much about it, but I see everyone as my own. Chuwang chuan hey jo na thlak jong kha mi jo ho ania chuan mi jo anyone min tran pui ro ti kha my request from my side. And if anyone in the Michigan Grand Rapids, please come and visit my artwork and please cast your vote. That is my request from my side.
Chuan kami vote counting ka engtin ye and vote counting dan kha han soile lokte kami kha entinan online ani si lova chuwang chuan engtia an support dan tur chika an ron kal kher kha angai ti mi kha engtin yan soi chiam te
ka at least once ka iron kalangaya
at least one time which is from
19 to that 4
till 4
chuan that 19 ai local chuan the rest of the day the rest of the day ka ti chu the rest of the month kha every day kha at home atanga min vote thei to ang chuwang chuan to activate your ticket, to activate your code, you must come on that 19, or maybe you can come on that 20 also. But if you come early, if you vote for me every day, which means I'll get more vote.
Count it from 19.
19, one person can vote on 19. And they can vote after every 24 hours. The same artist, the one they like the most. So chuwang chuan Michigan jong kha please support me.
Chuan helaya Mexican lopo
Indiana
tanga local theite le zona thak sim helai area nai khalai Mexican ite mi kha
Michigan
khami muna o local thei zong khachu khongai takin nisom pakwa atang hian in va visit anga personal avakala ngai awangin I athaya piangin lo kalsak ulah lo vote sakro uti ka
address po ka soi do
an soite
heta ka phone ka
lo changin sairo
artist kha Zamin Lun Singson ania Zamin Lun Singson chuan entry kha incredible wildlife wildlife lian deuh ania incredible wildlife chuan entry ID vote ID keima min vote na tur ID kha 73464 ania 73464 vote ID chuan gallery ming kha biophilia gallery antia chu nature, when someone try to experience nature they have to come to that gallery. Chuan category kha 2D ania 2D pencil on paper. Chuan venue location kha 975 Ottawa Avenue Northwest Grand Rapids Michigan 49503 975 Ottawa Avenue Northwest Grand Rapids Michigan 49503 chu a location ina a timing chu after 12 in Karinga achan chu hey a timing po everyday a gallery kha in change tree na so if anyone want to come you can come after 12 I'll be there always sitting with my work with my work in the in that venue
chuan in case hemi kha address kha an local ta ni chuta chuan nangma kha midam zok khan an mu du che karinga hei ka locala ka chibai du che po an ti mai thei do ni chuta chuan in i WhatsApp number kha heta tang hian soita la te chuan a WhatsApp number a khan in va thlen khan in du le personal tak pon in lo phone theya chuan in kal ma po in hei karon kal do na chumidar kara chuan kalo thleng do ne mu ve che ka du in ti pon tiang khan a WhatsApp number kha tuna hian a soyanga in lo note don nia
ka WhatsApp number kha India number ania chu +91 9205 644 904
soinan
+91 that is the Indian code the India code 9205 644 904 last time one more time
yes
91 9205 644 904 chuan ka Facebook kha Zamin Lun Singson JSN Zebra JAM MINLUN SINGSON ania Facebook po ni tho Instagram po ni tho chuan you can IG po ni tho same Zamin Lun Singson ani vek social media
Singson tra
Singson SINGSON last name
Singson
chuwang chuan you can inbox me anytime and then you are most welcome here we'll meet ka project po details that in I can explain it to you when you come
yes alom hle mai luna ka be thei che ka lom em a chuan zo na thak ming ti ming thatu lo ni zela itil ti a hian pathian mal som na idon ngei po ka be se ya khovelin nangma wangin hemi art sculptlang hian zo na thak te kha amel riat ve thei ni nangma kaltlang hian nangma hian I phau chuak thei ni ti ka hriat awangin du sakna ka lan che a lalpan mal som chero se
kalome
hey lulu nani ani art exhibition during hetai local atero manipur thing
so Taiwan from 82 countries a winner kanyamo
ani mo painting amo
painting
from
US yan world largest art competition
tuna ondona finalist
final exhibition ka Grand Rapids anom don
ani mo engti kange
18 September to 4 October
wow
voting on the dona so I invite all the Mizo brothers
ani too very good
and I invite all the Chin brothers
yes absolutely we need that yeah
and
we need to support
you can see some of
have a look pencil ya mo wow
hey he 82 countries a winner
83 countries are winners ani tani afahan hiam Taiwan ram somriat le pathuma khan winner ani pui ani chu chuan adang kaka wow hey pencilazia afahan thiam chuan Taiwan pakhat nai ni bok mo.
Tai wan pakat na kina tu na hey world largest competition na finalist kanya.
Oh, chuan atang ko han tilang zel te abaro pui e te.
Tiger.
Ava han thi ve e pensila zia ve ki
Hey, close up.
close up mo.
You can look the
Oh, I did the ni hi mul. Oh, han thiam
Hey, he means ni ang zangere. How long you take?
50 hours, 80 hours.
50 dar kar
50
som
hours.
hemi complete na niya na mangani.
Chuan, hey, Michigan, that one
Michigan.
is for 2,000 hours for Michigan.
Eh. Alian ni siya. Eh. Chan han pa en prem. Lain low. En to ai hi.
ให้number 1 ค่ะ
Oh, heta han. Oh,
He can ram.
and ram. Ah, cute. Look so cute. Nal look. Oh, hey. Cira ten ceng.
Ani la misang ma tingayam isyak
Kakala mo, mase, I think I prefer the D also. The D.
Oh.
Last time I went to Mizoram and stayed here for like 1 month.
Oh. To Mizoram 1 month yung mo. Ani chuan.
Mizoram kata inirte ito.
Ano? Ay, di la tiam lu tu ka long ka. Oh, cookie na ya. Cookie mo. Eh. Oh, hey eng nau pang ho nge. Chiranin hai hi. Hey,
They are playing.
is it they are which tribe you are making this one?
No, it's
Is-
not tribe wise. It is just for everyone.
Ah, okay. Just children playing.
Yeah, just children playing.
Okay, apan tiam ansam zong something ante amma.
chan nen.
Ang ay ang may ania
Hey, ya man.
hey pensila zian ni.
Maybe one for the water drops.
So how long did you?
This one 1 month.
1 month kakatsung in hey zo ni.
Like I do the detailing.
Oh, apan siap tiam meeting kalak ang may no. Tiam le may hey pakhat na ni pui khatra. Oleh khati jong kha video tun tumagaron da thei chun chu lo ni ta athe piang in Jamin Lun Singson artist he nisom pakua atangin amuna kala vote ni athe piang in lo support turin zon hat lakte kanan som ani e in zawai dal panmal som vek choro se next video ga imla vek don nia tunatan chuan bye bye vek ule bye bye